Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of multimodal acoustic event and scene detection for crop protection. So in this project, we are classifying the bird as well as audio detection. We can see the code. The type is click on open file, open folder, select the folder, click on this link. So this is the homepage of multimodal acoustic event and scene detection for crop protection. So here we have five models, login, register, about, prediction, and order. So here you can log in. If it is already registered, you can just log. Here you can enter registration. This is the registration page. Here you can enter the name, email, phone number, password. So here I am already registered. Here you can give the name and password. So click on login. So after login, it will redirect to the prediction page. Click on choose file. Select the images from the dataset. Click on predict button. Here you can see the bird name based on as well as it will display the images. We can see the another. Click on predict. So you can see the image as well as prediction. Now we can check for bird audio detection. Click on audio button. You can choose the file. Here you can select the bird voice. Click on predict. Here you can see the bird voice classification, as well as audio of the bird. Check for another one audio. You can't predict. You can see the prediction as well as the audio.